Guys, welcome back to Jasper FX. Today we are discussing on market structure. All right, market structure, and we have three kinds of market structure. Okay, we have three kinds of market structure. So we're just going to differentiate them. We have the uptrend market, the downtrend market, and the sideways market. All right, so this is how an uptrend market looks like when the price is doing a higher high and a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This is called an uptrend market. All right, this is called an uptrend market. And how you do you know an uptrend market? By break of structure. This is it. The market is breaking previous highs. All right, when it breaks the zone higher, this is now an uptrend market, or the uptrend continues. Coming down, failing to break this zone, all right, going back to break this zone, this is called an uptrend market. The market is just moving upwards. So this is an uptrend. Okay, this is an example an uptrend. An example of a downtrend, let me show you. This is an example of a downtrend when the market is making lower lows. It is called lower lows, lower lows and lower highs. Sorry, here we have a lower low, sorry, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. When it continues like this, and what makes it a downtrend market is the break of structure. When it market breaks this zone, right, need to make another higher high and breaking this previous zone again, makes it continue its downtrend. All right, that is to show that the sellers are in power. That is for downtrends, and you are looking to trade, only sell. Okay, you are looking to go short in the downtrend market. And we have the sideways market. It's called the sideways market. That is the ranging market. Okay, the ranging market, this is the kind of thing you see something going up, down, to the same point, 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 continuously like that, like not failing to break this zone, not failing to break this zone. This is a market stuck in just one, let me say, one spot. Okay, not breaking the previous resistance or support, supply or demand area. That is called a sideways market, just moving sideways, not going up and not coming down. All right, so that is called a sideways market. And we're going to look at something today, and what we're going to look at is why does market change from an uptrend to a downtrend. You understand? That is after making high highs, high lows, and the next thing is you see the market from that high high turn into a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. What causes it? All right, this is where the change of character, the QM pattern, the BOS comes in, the chart pattern comes in. All right, so here we go. Let me show you why. Uh, okay. So here now, you see a market doing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, enjoying itself, just moving normally. Now coming to a point, it did a higher high, and if a market do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots of support resistance on a trend, it's likely to change. Yes, it will not continue forever, it will change. So coming to a point, you come to a point and the price comes to break this previous low here. After a higher high, breaks this previous zone. All right, breaking this zone, what is this thing trying to pass to you? What is this market, what is the information it's trying to pass to you? Now there are two things you will likely see. All right, there are three things, sorry. Either see a rising wages, or head and shoulder, or uh, a double top. So let me show you in the case of a double top first. So this is what happens before you see a double top, head and shoulder, and a lot of that after a trend for it to change. So here the market breaks this structure downward. And the next thing, coming back to come break this zone, but could not break this zone. The buyers were taking their profit already, and sellers were coming with their positions opened at this zone. All right. A lot of others were there. All right. So coming to that zone, the market failed to break. The market failed to break and start returning back. You see, start returning back. What you can see here now is this is the first stop. Not failing to breaking this zone is now making it double top. Now price coming to the same point and returning downward is already forming a double top. All right, and here what you're waiting for is to see price come back to this zone. This is now the neckline, waiting for price to come back to this zone and break it downward. Then you have a double top already. You get it? So coming down to this zone, coming down and breaking this zone, there's break of structure here, will make you know that hey, these are sellers coming into the market. All right, so here you have your double top, and the best way to trade a double top, you can either decide to go into the market right here. For me, I trade it when it retraces back to this zone. All right, that is when it comes back to that zone, it's coming back to test the neckline, and the downward movement will be so sure at that point. Is 99% sure that the market, since it has broken the first structure, gone to test this zone, breaking this second structure, coming down. Now this is 1-2 break, then coming back to test the zone. If it is returning, come on, take that trade and you'll be profitable. All right, this is the cause of a double top. All right, the trend changes. Okay, and the cause of show that. Okay, I'm trying to show you the market structure so you know what to do if continuing of a market is about to change. Okay, so in the case of a head and shoulder, here we are. This is what causes a head and shoulder zone. All right, there's a BOS break of structure here. Then this market came down as it is supposed to come down normally. All right, all right, coming down as it's supposed to come normally. And sometimes it will just come down to this place. Okay, it did not break this zone, or it might break it a little, coming down to this point, or as it should come on the norms. So going back, it failed to break this other guy here. This part fails to break. This is what causes head and shoulder, and also the QM pattern. Okay, fail to break here, or even break it a little, but fail to reach this zone. All right, and the trend reverses. This is the reason for a head and shoulder. All right, this is for a reason for a head and shoulder. And if you want to trade, this becomes your neckline, because the structure is being broken already. So when the market retests this zone, come on, you look for your entry zone here, you look for your entry reasons here by the candle pattern and a lot of that. So support becoming resistance, come on, the market goes down and you're sure of that trade. Okay, so that is the cause of a head and shoulder. And another thing is the wage. All right, now that one is, it's so hard for many traders to to know, it's very hard for them to trace, but with the help of your trend line you can be able to trade it. So then price start doing something like 1 2 3 4 5 6. After 4 touches, all right, you draw your trend line like this. All right, you draw your trend line. If price breaks this zone high, that is breaks all this zone, all of them, breaks it upward and then retest it, you can look for your entry reasons here. All right, but when price bounces here, comes break this zone, retest it, you are looking for your entry reasons here. And you know why you're looking for entry reasons there? If you look at this place is a strong zone. Okay, this place is a place that this price will respect, then break downward after a series of uptrend changing to downtrend. All right, so all right, that is that for inverse is the case for double bottom, inverted head and shoulders, and rising wage. Okay, falling wage, rising wage. So that is the reason. That is it for the market structure. So in my next video, I'm going to post on how to trade along with the trend. Sorry, how to trade along with the trend, because if you trade along with the trend, you'll be profitable. But if you trade against the trend, come on, you are on your way to lose your capital. All right. So no matter how good you are, though some people trade counter trends, all right, they go against the trend and they succeed, but they're it's dangerous. Okay, they know what they're doing and they look at the higher time frames to do that. Okay, so trading along the trend, you'll be more safe. All right, so I want you to subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, so each time I post, you will be the first to be notified. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.